things were different. If only reality could change, that's noni. Noni means if only, or it would be nice if. Connected with the bar form, then add noni. For the adjectives use karebba. For the adjectives use nara. For nouns use nara. Motto yasumi ga areba ii noni. If only I had more days off. Lisa mo kureba yokatta noni. If only we had come to. If only things were different. This grammar expresses a wish, the result isn't true. Right now you're imagining a better reality. Don't end the sentence with no.日本語がもっと上手ならいいのに If only my Japanese were better 僕の先生ならいいのに If only you were my teacher. If only one wish, that's noni.